Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Akhlabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started the different concepts of 10th class. We discussed the geometrical chapters such as triangles, right? And we also did a few algebraic chapters such as polynomials, linear equations, quadratic equations. Today, let us start the basic geometrical chapter. What is this? That is coordinate geometry. How to deal with this? In order to learn this, the basics of the 9th class are very important. That is, we learned how to point a given coordinates in a graph, right? We always discuss that the whole plane, a 2D plane, is divided into 4 parts. That each part is called as quadrant, isn't it? Yes or no? The whole plane is divided into 2 parts by using 2 lines. Those are x axis and y axis, right? Yes or no? Each part is called as quadrant, where the direction will be always in a anti-clockwise direction. This is named as quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. Is it right? This is how we segregate the whole 2D plane into 4 different quadrants, right? Then how do we point a particular coordinates? That is, for example, the coordinates are in the form of x comma y. That is the general form, right? Where this is called as x coordinate and this is called as y coordinate. Okay. Simply, x coordinate can also be called as abscissa and y coordinate is also called as ordinate. Is it right? Yes or no? Which means the whole thing can be divided into 2 different parts, that is above 0 and one more is below 0. That is, above 0 will be always in the positive numbers and the below 0 will have always a negative numbers. Similarly, on the right side will have positive values, on the left side will have negative values. Is it right? See here, then how do we write this as 1, 2, 3 and so on. This has 1, 2, 3, on the left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on the bottom minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Isn't it? This is how we write in a normal graph, right? Done. Using these coordinates, we have to find the operations between 2 points, right? How to find what are the different operations? How do we solve them? For example, the basic example which you have to understand is, if I have 2 coordinates, that is I have 2 points, one is point A and one is point B. What is the distance between this point A and point B? How do we define? Yes, is it right? That is a basic question of any coordinate geometry, right? Shall we start with the different formulas? Right. The first main formula is this distance formula. The distance between 2 points, distance between 2 points or simply coordinates. Okay, we always use the term points. That is, let us assume some x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 are the 2 points. Then the distance between these two AB is given by under root the difference of x coordinates square plus difference of y coordinate square. अब देखो इधर और एक बार, what is the formula इधर, what is the formula here? That is, ये दोनों पॉइंट के बीच में डिस्टेंस क्या है? F पॉइंट A का कोऑर्डिनेट्स x1 y1 है तो पॉइंट B का कोऑर्डिनेट्स x2 y2. ओके, सो ये दोनों के बीच में डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Is it right? Is it okay? Based on this formula, we will do more and more problems. That is, they will ask you different conditions. Let us say, if I have 3 points, point A, point B and point C. There is a particular term called as collinear. Collinear बोले तो क्या? Collinear बोले तो ये तीनों पॉइंट एक ही लाइन पे पास हुआ तो ये 3 पॉइंट्स को कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स बोलेंगे. Okay, what do you mean by collinear? That is, when these 3 points are passing through a particular point line, then these 3 points are called as collinear points. Okay, how do we define using this distance formula? That is, if I say the distance of AC is equal to AB plus BC, then these points are not collinear? Yes, right. Once again let me tell, ये पूरा AC का distance कैसा मिलेगा? AB का distance plus BC का distance ऐड करें तो AC का distance मिले तो AB और BC are called as collinear points. Why do we say like that? Can't I have any direction where AC is equal to AB plus BC? Can I have? No, right? That's why this is very clearly given as collinear condition is AC is equal to AB plus BC, right? And you will have a few more problems where they will give you 4 points, okay, and they will ask you to prove these 4 points form a square. How do we do? We have to find the distance between AB, BC, CD and AD. Then we have to get that all these sides are equal. Then only we can tell that these 4 points form a square. Is it okay? Shall we start doing problems? Let's start. See here, what are the questions given here? He is asking us to find the distance between these following points. Okay, shall we start? अब देखो इधर. Let us say this has point A and this has point B. Okay, distance का formula क्या है? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? ये x2 और x1 क्या है? If this point is first point, let us write them as x1 y1 और ये दोनों points को x2 y2. Okay, just we are giving the names to them. अब बोलो x2 क्या है इधर? 4, x1 क्या है? 2 whole square plus y2 क्या है? 1, y1 क्या है? 3 under root. Is it right? अब देखो इधर 4 minus 2 is 2 square, 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square under root. 2 square क्या है इधर? 4, minus का square plus 2 का square 4. अब बोलो इधर 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, it's okay, root 8 units, or else you can even write it as 4 into 2. 4 का square root क्या है? 2. Answer is 2 root 2 units. ये units क्या है बोले तो they didn't specify whether it is in centimeter, millimeter or whatever. That's why we'll write some units. Okay, कुछ भी रहने दो, कुछ तो units. Okay, और एक sum करेंगे. देखो इधर. Let us assume again this as A and this as B. What's the formula of distance? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, by the end of this session I will be always writing this formula in each and every problem, so better don't forget that. Just make you sure that you know this formula. You know this formula. I will write more and more times. Okay, देखो इधर अंडर रूट इधर क्या है? x1 y1 x2 y2. ओके, x2 क्या है? 3, x1 क्या है? -2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 क्या है? 2, y1 क्या है? -3. ओके, इज इट फाइन? देखो इधर 3 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. Okay, 3 plus 2 क्या है बोलो? 5 square. 2 plus 3 भी 5 square. So 5 square is 25. 5 square is again 25. 25 plus 25 is root 50. That is equal to root 2 into 25. That is 5 root 2 units. Is it fine? समझ में आ गया ना? अब देखो next sum. See here, till now we did 2 positive. Either 2 points are negative and 2 other coordinates are positive. Similarly, let us do one more problem with 0, 0. That is the distance from origin. Okay, अब बोलो formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Is it right? So again we will take this as x1 y1 and again this should be x2 y2. Is it fine? So let us substitute it here. x2 क्या है 36 minus 0 whole square plus इधर 5 minus 0 whole square. अब बोलो 36 minus 0 is 36 square, 5 minus 0 is 5 square. 36 का square क्या है 1296 right? That is 1296 plus 25. ऐड किए तो कितना आएगा 1300 plus 25, let us say 1325. Here it is 1321. Is it okay? If you want to factorize it, you can factorize and write the simplified version. Okay. In the next sum, let us see. This is a comma b and this is minus a minus b. Clear? Which means two terms are variables. How to do? Let us do now. Let us say this as a and this as b. What's the formula of ab again? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Either a x1 y1 or a x2 y2. Okay. Now tell me, what is x2 here? Minus a. What is x1? Minus a whole square plus y2 क्या है? Minus b. y1 क्या है? Minus b whole square. That is minus a क्या है? Both have same sign, so we have to add it. Okay. Minus a is minus 2a whole square plus minus b is minus 2b whole square. Is it okay? अब बोलो minus का square plus 2 square is 4, then a square. इधर 4b square. Can I take 4 as common here? Then I will get it as 4 into a square plus b square, that is equal to 2 into under root a square plus b square units. Is it clear? समझ में आ गया ना? The only thing is we have to remember the formula this. That is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Without that, can we do this for problems? No, right? Good. Shall we do few more problems? Let's start. See the next question here. The question given here it is, he is asking us to verify whether these 3 points are collinear or not. Condition क्या था? 3 points दिए तो point A, point B और point C. Collinear है तो condition क्या है इधर? इधर AC का distance को AB plus BC बोल के प्रूव करना. ओके अब क्या है फर्स्ट मेन गिवन 3 पॉइंट्स गिवन A of 1, 5, B of 2, 3, C of minus 2, minus 1. What's the thing now? We have to find the distance of AB, BC and AC. Okay, good. What is the distance of AB? I'll write this formula for this term. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, either x1 y1 क्या है? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, देखो इधर अंडर रूट 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. अब बोलो 2 minus 1 क्या होगा? 1. That is 1 square. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. That is 4. Answer is root 5. Okay. अब देखो नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे? BC का फॉर्मूला सेम x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. अब क्या होगा? This will be x1 y1 and इधर x2 y2. Okay. Same x2 minus x1 whole square, that is minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 3 whole square. Minus 2 minus q क्या है? Minus 4, that is 4 square is 16. और इधर minus 1 minus 3 is again 4 square, that is again 16. This can be written as root 32, that is root 2 into 16. 16 का square root क्या है? 4 root 2. Okay. And the next third one, that is AC. AC का formula, okay, let me write like this. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, x2 minus x1 whole square, that is minus 2 minus 1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, minus 1 minus 5 whole square. Is it right? देखो इधर minus 2 minus 1 is 3 square, that is 9. Minus 1 minus 5 is 6 square, that is 36. 36 plus 9 क्या होगा? That is 45. 45. अब बोलो 45 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है? Let me write it as 9 into 5, that will be 3 into 5. Okay, is it clear? Just check whether you are getting AB plus BC is equal to AC or not, or something, whatever it might be. The addition of two things must be the third thing, whether you are getting it or not. That is what they will expect. Okay, just let us see here. Are we getting the sum of any two as third? Just check करो इधर. रूट 5 प्लस 4 रूट 2 क्या होगा? 3 रूट 5 होता क्या? नहीं तो ये 3 रूट 5 1 रूट 5 ऐड करें तो 4 रूट 2 होता क्या? नहीं. और एल्स ये दो ऐड करें तो ये आता क्या? No. Therefore here AB plus BC is not equal to AC. Therefore ABC are not collinear. Is it okay? Did you understand? Clear? Let us see this next question. He is asking us to show that following points form an equilateral triangle. That is, ये 3 point equilateral triangle form होता है. कैसे करना? ये 3 points का distance equate करना. That is point A, point B and point C. A, B and C. Okay, ये 3 sides equal है तो ये 3 points will form triangle, that is equilateral triangle. So let us write solution. Let A is a comma 0, B is minus a comma 0, C is 0 comma a root 3. Is it right? So let us find the value of AB. AB का distance क्या है? AB x2 minus x1 whole square. Let us say this as xy1, this is x2 y2. Okay, x2 minus x1 whole square, that is minus a whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. Okay, minus a बोले तो minus 2a का whole square. Here however it is 0 square. अब बोलो 2a का square is 4a square under root. The answer is 2a. This is AB. Okay, अब देखो BC का करो, क्या होगा? BC, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Right? Let me write directly. 0 minus of minus a will be 0 plus a whole square, a root 3 minus 0. Okay, from next set of questions I will not even write this as 0 plus a or this as like this. I will write it directly. Okay, याद रख लो. A square, ये a root 3 में से 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो a root 3 whole square. क्या होगा इधर? Under root a square plus a root 3 whole square is 3a square. Totally it is ak square plus 3a square, that is 4a square, that is nothing but 2a. Is it right? तीसरा side, that is AC. Under root, this will be x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. 0 minus a whole square plus a root 3 minus 0 whole square. Is it okay? 0 minus a is minus a, that is a square plus a root 3 whole square, that is equal to a square plus 3a square, that is 4a square, which is nothing but 2a. Are we getting same 2a for 3 different sides? Yes, right? Therefore AB equal to BC equal to AC, that is ABC is an equilateral triangle. समझ में आ गया ना? Is it clear? Shall we do one more problem? Let's do. See the next question here. Show that the points 1, 2, 3, 4 taken in an order to form a rhombus. Find its area. Tell me, what is a rhombus? Rhombus A, B, C, D. Rhombus का condition क्या है? All sides must be equal and the diagonals also should be equal. Okay. See here, tell me. Let us write A minus 4 comma minus 7, B minus 1 comma 2, C 8 comma 5 and D 5 comma minus 4. Okay. अब बोलो AB का distance. I will not write any formula. I will directly substitute it. Okay. Minus 1 minus to minus plus 4 2 plus 7. What is it? Tell me now. बोलो क्या होगा इधर? 4 minus 1 3. 3 का square 9. 2 plus 7 क्या है? 9. 9 square is 81. Is it right? 81 plus 9 can be written as 90. Is it right? That is nothing but how much is it? 3 root 10. Yes or no? Right? Fine. 90 can be written as 9 into 10. I have taken 3 outside and 10 inside. 3 is square root of 9. Next tell me BC. BC 8 plus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. That is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 square is 81 plus 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 square is 9. Again 90. That is again 3 root 10. Okay. And the next AC. A. Is it right AC? No, that is CD now. Let us write it as DC. Okay. AB, BC, CD. Okay. CD or DC or whatever, both are same. 5 minus 8 whole square plus minus 4 minus 5, minus 4 minus 5 whole square, that is equal to 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. That is 81. Again 90, that is equal to 3 root 10. Okay. And the next AD. Now we have to separate these both. Okay. 5 minus into minus plus 4 whole square plus minus 4 plus 7 whole square. Is it okay? Now tell me 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 square is 81 plus minus 4 plus 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 square is 9. Again root 90, that is equal to 3 root 10. Now tell me all these sides are equal, right? Now thing we have to separate is AC and BD. Shall we find? Now check it here. AC is equal to under root A and C. Okay. 8 plus 4 whole square plus 5 plus 7. You can find it, right? Tell me 8 plus 4 क्या है? 12. 12 square is 144 plus 5 plus 7, that is 12. 12 is again 144, that is equal to 288 can be written as 144 into 2, that is 12 root 2. Okay. Next क्या है? BD. This is 5. BD. 5 plus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2 whole square. Is that right? This is 5 plus 1 minus 4 minus 2. Okay. 5 plus 1 क्या है? 6 square 36. Again minus 4 minus 2 क्या है? That is 6. Again 6 square is 36. That is equal to root 72. That is, how much is it? 36 into 2. That is nothing but 6 root 2. Is it right? Did I get all these 4 sides as same? Right? Did you understand? Cool. That is, since all the sides are same, I can name these coordinates form a rhombus. Okay. Now what is that we have to do? AB here I can write it as AB equal to BC equal to CD is equal to AD. Therefore ABCD forms a rhombus, right? And check here, AC is not equal to BD. That is, if diagonals are not equal, we can tell it as rhombus. Okay. Now he is asking us to find its area. How do we find the area of a rhombus? Tell me the formula. Area of a rhombus is half into d1 d2, that is product of diagonals. What are the diagonals here? AC and BD, that is half into AC into BD, that is equal to half into, what is AC here? 12 root 2. Okay, 12 root 2. What is BD? 6 root 2. 6 root 2. Now tell me 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 into 6 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. 6 6 are 36, 36 2s are 72 square units. You have to specify it. Is it right? Did you understand? Clear. This is a basic intro of how to solve 2 points by using a distance formula. Okay, that is how to find the distance between 2 points, right? How to check the relationship between the 2 points and everything. Clear? Fine. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of coordinate geometry. Thank you.